Hey, good morning. Today's little project, I'm back on the 51 with the spare basketball by the winch. The judge. Anyway, I'm going to see about pulling this steering wheel because this one is pretty hard to steer compared to the 56 over there. I think I'm going to put that electric power steering on here. I got something out of a Prius, the box, the control, everything I need except the wheel. I screwed up on that deal. They wouldn't let me take the wheel because it had that airbag in it. So after about an hour using every tool we had, we couldn't get it out, so I just left. Anyway, I've got this genuine Pittsburgh bearing separator kit. I'm going to try to clamp it around there, see if I can get that steering wheel loose. Okay, I put this little extension, that little extension, that looks like about a 4-inch. Now I believe I can get this crossbar across there, and let's see how this works. Well, it came off of there so fast, I didn't even have time to record it. But this little puller rig right here, pull that steering wheel right off. It's a bearing separator, but it'll also pull steering wheels. So now I can go to work on my power steering.